So, yes, I'm that mom. I let Bentley make cookies for breakfast and hot chocolate. Isn't this cute? We got this from the Dollar Tree. He got it specifically to drink his hot chocolate in, right, Bentley? Only for hot chocolate. We just woke up and it's only like a couple days left for break. So, Bentley, can you turn that down a little bit? Does that have a volume? We just made some cookies. We'll get ready to watch the Michigan game. And I think later go to a couple stores, see if they still have some Black Friday deals. Because the girls will be back home tomorrow morning. And we have plans to go to Six Flags again because it's going to be 75 today, which is like perfect weather. Let me show you guys how beautiful it is today. It's already like 60, so it's gonna be 75 today, and we just love seeing the lights. So we might just sneak over there for a couple of hours, and Daddy's at work, so it will just be Bentley and I. We might bring one of his friends, actually. I still need to hang up this wreath right here. Hung that wreath up. I
want to go to the park.
You want to go to the park today? It's nice outside. We can go to the park. I thought you wanted to go to Six Flags instead. So I need to find, I still have not found my Christmas sleigh that goes there. Well, it doesn't go there, but that's what I was going to put there. I've been looking in the basement everywhere. I cannot find it. Everything else is almost done. Oh, I have to sneeze.
See?
Yeah, I see it. So I think I'm going to get this. Bentley, we need a bigger cart. This will be really good for the loft area, and it's only 25 bucks. It was 70. This is a Black Friday deal. Not bad. We have a rainbow one already, but it's broke. Bentley, we need a bigger basket. Can you find? You cannot get in that, sir. Please get out. Thank you.
I wasn't in it.
You were trying to get in it.
I was trying to get in it. I want you to take a picture of me.
No, you can't get in that. That's not.
Get here?
No. They're gonna kick us out. They're gonna kick us out. Yeah, stand right there.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
Hello. We're gonna make a cake. Well, this girl, my mother, she's gonna make a cake, and I'm gonna decorate it because I'm pro technically. And then they're gonna be somewhere, and I'm gonna be Miley can help. I'm gonna decorate the cake, and she can't see it. Oh, I don't want Bentley to see. It's gonna be so awesome because I have baker tools.
This way to the Christmas section. Come back from Florida, hair completely sorted out. Remember they had their hair done for the Ariana Grande concert, and it's just poofed out now. Maybe Dash will come tonight. Maybe our elf Dash will come tonight.
Yeah. Yes. You should get a girl.
We do have some sprinkles at home already. Okay, we have those.
Oh, you should get these. Maybe other stuff to decorate it. Trees. Yeah, to put on the cake. How is it good?
Oh, look at this one. We already have our gingerbread houses, but now I want this one. It comes with, what's his name?
The Bullseye. I mean, no, that's from Toy Story.
No, it is Bullseye, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
It's
this is
right.
right there.
Duh.
Look, I don't know what these are.
You should get this one.
A lot of people say they used to use these. Look how cute it is. It's a
Let me see my
reindeer.
cute. Oh,
What
the
is this
Pez,
anyways?
they're candies.
Whoa.
We used to have these back in the day.
That's what everybody said.
They're just little candies.
Trying to do the back.
Oh, move our basket out the way. Move our basket out the way. Let me see. Oh, a llama one. That's cute. I do like that one. Hot cocoa mug in hot cocoa and mug set. Let me see that, Miley. That's cute. That's like a cute teacher's gift.
Oh, that's like a nice. What is that? Is it a hat? Oh.
Oh, it's just like the wrapping on it. That's really cute. I like that.
I would give that to my favorite teacher.
$7.99. That's not bad. Miley's gonna get a body. Look at these, like Christmas cookies.
Yes, Santa's
Winter pineapple. Santa's blueberry
Yes.
That's so good, Miley. There's something over here too. What about this one? Here, hold this. That's like
Ooh, that's like fruits.
Alright, somebody go get mine for us.
I'm not sure. The right line is so short.
Okay, let's go on this side. That's what you're getting? Okay. Pick out your item. Place. Okay. What's this?
So we're back at Target, and my mom had some coupons. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and we got a couple of things. So I got this little sanitizer holder. It's like Rudolph, but a girl Rudolph or something. Has a nose, and then it lights up. It's very cute. It's like a light or something. And then I got some perfume. It's candy. It smells like candy. It's called Christmas Cookies. And it's so good. Oh my gosh. And we got this. Oh, Miley got this lotion. It goes to this, but we got something different. She got lotion, Christmas cookies, body lotion. We got peaceful tea tree and peppermint, like relaxing stuff for your bath. And then we got these hand soaps for the guest bathroom. It says Merry Christmas, and the scent is Vanilla Snowflake. And then you got sanitizers. So I can have one of them in here. This is the one that I got. It's Birthday Wishes. It smells so good. Okay, and then we got one vanilla sugar. It's very nice. It smells delicious. We got cranberry peach. It smells good. It smells like peaches or something. We got winter candy apple with a little owl on it. And we got Mary cookie. It's like a cookie set. That's all the stuff we got.
Okay, so just got home. The girls are making hot chocolate.
Wait, I'm gonna try to do this thing that I saw on TikTok. Okay. Okay. Ah! Dang, it is hard.
So I got this super cute mug from Target. This was $5. It's beginning to look a lot like coffee. Super cute, right? And then the girls are gonna put these, I guess, on their cake. They wanna bake a cake. So we'll see, because we do have plans to go to a Christmas tree lighting tonight, but we will see how that goes. And I just want to show you these salads really quick. We always get the Sam's Club?
Yeah, it's
the Sam's.
Look how
we
good that
always
chicken looks. Mmm.
We always get the Sam's Club's salads, but these are from Target. So
It's hot chocolate, not coffee.
Miley made some hot chocolate. Let's see, that looks good, Miley. Did you use your dairy-free?
Yes.
Okay, she uses this, the almond milk dairy-free whipped cream. We've been using that for her lately, trying to get away from dairy products. But this looks really good, Miley, and a little bit caramel. I'm still in the process of doing my Christmas decor over here for my coffee station, but when it's done, I definitely will show you guys.
Delicious.
You guys, the salad is actually really good.
The chicken. The chicken. And the sauce. It's delicious.
Sauce? You mean dressing?
Oh yeah. Simple.
It is really good, guys. But I feel like they should have added more lettuce. We did eat some already, but I feel like your salad has more lettuce than mine. Look at Mackenzie's salad.
Oh no, I am.
Way more lettuce than mine.
I am.
Crazy.
We're about to eat some California pizza. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Look how good that looks. I'm eating some salad. California pizza kitchen.
With thin crust. This is the kind we buy. Super good. And you actually are supposed to bake it on the actual rack itself.
Because in California, and it's a pizza cooker. Super moist double cake chocolate cake. And we're gonna make it and we're gonna decorate it on the Christmas Eve, and it's gonna look so good.
Go ahead. Pour the oil in.
And
how much oil did you have to put in?
This.
I measured.
Yeah, that's perfect. Use that.
That's why I poured that in, really.
Okay. Perfect.
Next egg. Pour the water in, Miley.
Okay, now what I like to do is put my trash in this box. So you're gonna throw the whole box together. You're gonna throw the whole box away, so it makes it easier. Just put all the trash in the box. Eggs in this paper.
Okay. The eggs are over there.
Okay, well, one is in there, so that's fine. All right, pour the eggs in. All right, now make sure you put the blender in before you start it, Miley. And no, and
We're going to be using to decorate. We have plain, regular white, cream cheese icing, which is delicious. We have holiday sprinkles that we already had. We're going to put those on cake. And then we have these candy cane candies, like icing decoration, and we're going to put them on the cake. You guys will see that. And then we have this tool. It's called a baker's blade. It's for, I'm gonna open it.
this is Mackenzie's baking tool that she got
Yeah.
to bake cakes.
It's to
Where did we get that from?
Oh, Michael's.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the plate because we don't have the device to make it spin while we just hold it there. So we then spin the plate around and then spread out the icing and smooth it out to make it look really good.
Okay.
And then we have this. It's just a white icing, same thing as this. Excuse me. It has a built-in star tip, and we might put food coloring in it to make it green or red.
We're gonna split, probably get different bowls and split them up, and then we can have two different colors. Green and red.